Hello everyone, this is my database 7th experiment. The topic for this is views, sequence and index. In the same is in order to implement the views, sequences and indexes on a table. As you can see over here, views will be virtually based on the result of a SQL statement, and the sequence is defined as a user-defined schema for the bound objects, and indexes is used in order to speed up the performance of the queries. As you can see over here, the different questions given here are: create a view to display the employee name, company name, salary, joining date, city, employee city, and company city of the employees. As you can see over here, we given create or replace view, ename, cname, salary, joining date, and city as, and will be given the select employee of employee name, e dot name, e dot salary, e dot joining date, and e dot city from employee company, join company of C, and then you'll be getting us on employee dot company name is equal to C dot company name, and then it will be displayed as E name, C name, salary, joining date, and city. And select the second one will be select the view where select the view name and text from user views data dictionary view. In this you'll be given as SQL of uh, SQL of select um, SQL of select. In this select view name text from user, and in the text it will be given as view of workload, and it will be select collection as workload ID, collection line as import, and the time. The review filter in this one it will be as filter id as filter id, and the view name and text a dot subfiltrum as subfiltrum, and review log m dot run id as id, m dot filter id as filter id, m dot run begin, and a dot run id as run id, and filter id as filter id. um, and we will be giving a subfilter, this all for the second one. And as you can see, have you change if we attempt to change the joining date of Anil to be December 10th December 1910, which it is created is the view update. If yes, is updation reflected in the table. In this one, the basic things to be seen are, as you can see over here, it will be as update set joining date is equal to 10 December 1999, where employee name will be equal to Anil, and then the joining date will be 10th December 1999, and you can see cannot modify a column which maps to keep preserved on the table. Create a view, display the employee name, salary, and company name of the employees who work in the company ACC. Um, for this to happen, you'll be creating a view where create or replace view v2, ename salary, c name as select employee name, salary, and c name from the table employee of company, where customer where the c name will be equal to ACC, and then it will be displaying as ename, cname, salary, joining date, and the city. Insert the following data into the table where ename Ashok, and the ename will be Ashok, and ename will be Ashok, and the CNAME will be null, and the salary will be 1200. As you can see over here, for this the query insert into employee company values, you'll be giving the values of I mean the 12 and Ashok and to 1200. You'll be giving insert into company, employee company will be the table name and the tire values, and enter value for e name will be Ashok, and the enter value for c name it is not given. Enter the value for salary, it will be 1200, and you will be entering in for the joining date. As you can see over here, it will be given as row as created, and in the start it will be given as Anil, and the Ashok is being displayed at the end as Ashok, and you'll not be given any name, so the salary will be displayed as 1200. This is the fifth one, and then the sixth one, you're asked in order to find display a row by using V1. In this one, SQL select E name, C name, salary, city from V name, where joining date is equal to 01 Jan 1998. So all the details will be mentioned. As you can see, that will be city, the people name, and the company name, and the salary. And we'll go to the seventh one. As you can see, the seventh one will be like check the same with check opinion. We should do the same again with check opinion, like create or replace view v1 e-name c-name salary such as j-date as select employee name comma c-name comma salary comma joining date from employee of company with check option constraint employee row as ck, and the view will be being created. As you can see over here, check option constraint is used in order to display the same which we have done before, and then it will be create a view for retrieving the company name, its average salary and its maximum and minimum salary. Create a view, create a replace view, v, which is the view we can see, and the c name, average salary, minimum salary, maximum salary, as select e dot c name comma average comma e name minimum salary max e dot salary, and then you will be grouping them all by name, and it will be giving displayed as average salary, minimum salary, and maximum salary. And the ninth one, you will be information about the employee name, salary, and living city. You will be given within view where employee name, salary, living city as select e dot e name, employee dot salary, e dot city from employee join employee company name. On employee e name, e dot e name is equal to employee dot e name. The view will be created and showing the particular desert, and then you'll be creating a test sequence which starts with 1, increment value will be 1 with maximum value as create sequence, test sequence, increment by 1, start with 1, max value will be declaring, no cycle, no catch, and this will be the output. And then select test sequence next val for dual, that is all. Then the re-execute the previous statement. You will be giving the same statement again. Select test sequence next value from dual. You will be getting the next value as 2, and display the current value of the carval. You will be again going and doing the same. Select test sequence carval from the dual. You will be giving the value as 2. Create an index end on employee name is employee company name, e name comma c name, uh, dc company, create index id on employee company name, e name comma c name, create the customer id, um, and on the following you will be doing this as employee of employee name, and create index end. As you can see over here, name is already used as an existing object. So you will be doing this, and then you will be create function based index on uppercase of employee city, create index int1 on employee of upper city, and then the table will be index will be created. um, and then the next one, as you can see over here, it will be drop the index which was created, create index int1 on upper of case of city, and then you will be given with index created, drop index end1, index will be dropped. and the result you will be given as the V1 sequence will be uploaded successfully. This is all for today.